Hey, and this is Eric RPG, and once again I'm doing another LP, and today we are playing Capcom game from 1994, and you'll get to see once the game in itself introduces it. David's Crest. Select the options screen. These are the controls. Obviously playing in stereo. Alright, we're gonna start a new game, obviously. It continues the password feature. So we're in a Coliseum, huh? Boy, a dragon. Zombie dragon from Final Fantasy? Pretty much can't fight him right now, I just have to run. We can cling to the wall. Oh, that was fairly simple. Busting out. Oh, it looks like we're in a cemetery. What the? Tenacious little fucker. Yep, swearing. Why not? I'm a demon. I don't give a crap. Shit. And he went down like a little cock. You know. We've already got our first health upgrade? Jeez. This game's just handing it to us. A headbutts. X uses special items. As you can tell, if you press B while in midair, in this particular form, because there are different forms you can use, you'll obviously glide. And I think you'll stay in the air for as long as you are stationary. Otherwise, I think you fall at some point. Let's see. Nope, you get to stay in the air. And that's obvious. That's money that well, that's actually health I just picked up, but you can pick up coins. At least I think that was. No, that is coins. And yes, let's commit vandalism. Nope, that was health. Never mind. The coins are the things I just picked up. It's been a while since I played this. It's about a year ago. I didn't finish it, but I played it a year ago. Yeah, you can't really shoot down. Also, certain surfaces you can cling to. I just picked up a spell scroll It lets me learn a spell. But spells are kind of useless in this game. So I'll show you. Take a hit. Life. There we go. Our second mini-boss. This game is just giving us a boss rush, isn't it? So this is the hippogriff, and then the dragon we fought was the Samolo. Watch out for his fireballs. He turned back into a stone for whatever reason. Let's wake him up. And he's down. So, let's destroy him. Another health life up. This game's fast-tracking us. I'm worried about the frame rate of this video, but I think it's only for a stream. Yeah, that sucks. I want to pick that up. Took a hit. Just trying to avoid that. That might be difficult. Nuts. Please let there be health in there. Crap. There is a first to earn. We can put potions in those. Now would be a good time to save state. I think you get a total of 3 lives, even though the game doesn't really keep track of your lives. You just get 3 lives and then you have to start over from the level. It's beginning. You technically get unlimited continues, but you have limited lives. Maybe I'll get lucky and these guys will drop health. Or money. I'm always down for collecting money. Enemies respawn, of course. At least that means I can farm them if I need to. No! Aww. And there's something inside some of those, but we can't do anything about it yet. Especially up there. In fact, that's the only place you want to destroy this walls. See? There's a health power-up. Oh good, there's a health power-up. Probably gonna cut the video off after this level, just to see if it recorded right. If it didn't, we're gonna re-record and you're never gonna see this video. So this guy's name's Arma. Want to put an end to your petty crusade. Oh, that's right. There's an intro to this game. I guess I could show you the next video before I reload my save. So, I'll do that. Sorry. There's a little bit of backstory there. So, yeah. The guy hates us. I wonder if he's like a Vegeta. Oops. Yeah. He does that a lot. And he's down. Pretty easy first boss. The strength people have been talking about. Well, we'll learn about that in the next video. And he drops a crest. The Crest of Earth. With it, you can morph into the ground gargoyle and gain great speed and strength. Well, actually, you're pretty slow, but you can do a dash attack. So yeah, next video, we explore a little. See you guys later.